Thanks to this, my 53-year-old aunt grew her hair more than 40% in 10 days. We go with some advice that a friend's aunt followed to grow her hair. 1. Cut your hair frequently. Just the tips. It is recommended every 3 or 4 months, so we remove the orcas, white or open tips. They are caused by frequent use of the dryer or irons that mistreat our hair so much. By cutting the tips we favor growth and get a much healthier appearance. 2. Mask of avocado. To create your homemade mask, extract the pulp from the avocado and create a pure. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix until you get a pasty consistency. Apply from the scalp to the tips, making sure they are well covered. Massage for at least 5 minutes. Cover with a plastic cap, so the hair absorbs the rich nutrients of the mask. Leave it on for 30 minutes and remove with warm water. 3. Brush several times a day. One of the ways to have longer hair is to brush it 3 to 4 times a day. This stimulates the scalp and blood flow. The most recommended is that you use a brush with the bristles of Jabali and massage the entire scalp. 4. A good diet. A food rich in protein and green foods. Hair is made up of proteins and the lack of it would produce opaque, weak and slow-growing hair. You will find proteins in eggs, broccoli, legumes, fish, meats, etc. The better you feed, the faster your hair will grow. 5. Avoid extreme heat. Although this is inevitable since we always want to mold, smooth or create a different style in our hair, extreme heat weakens, breaks down and badly abuses the hair, causing irreversible damage. Before using the heat, it is advisable to use a protector to act as a shield and do not mistreat the hair as much.